Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to breathe if you have a cough. I invited my friend Emily today to show us how to do it with the kids, because a lot of times kids have cough, and this is very good exercises to help your kids to reduce cough. So our first exercise is going to be called the window. So we're going to hold our hands like this here, and when we inhale, we're going to open the window, and then we exhale, we close the window. And you round your back a little bit. So we open the gate, the window, and close the window. And we're going to do like this 5 times, 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. So let's shake your hands. You can drink some water if you get thirsty. Our next exercise is going to be the same position. Your hands will be up here, but instead of inhaling, you're going to be inhale when the window is closed, and exhale, and you're going to blow in the open window. So we're going to show it now. So we're going to inhale, and then go and close, and inhale, and blow. And you can also you can do it through your mouth or through your nose. Inhale and go 5 times. Inhale and blow. Beautiful. And the very last time, inhale and blow. Beautiful. Let's shake. And our next exercise is going to be, next is going to be this one. So we're going to show you how the diver goes under the water and holds the breath. So we're going to make sure you hold your back straight, your neck is super straight too, and then when you inhale, you exhale and you close. Try to touch your chin to your chest. You close, and you're going to, so you exhale and you hold your nose, pinch your nose, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you exhale. So what you do here, you hold your breath, okay? But you exhale and then hold your breath. So we're going to show it 5 times. So we're going to inhale, and then exhale, close your neck, close your nose, and hold it for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. And close. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And inhale and exhale. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Let's shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it a little bit. Yeah? Okay, so our next one is called railroad gait. So we're going to hold it here, and we're going to be inhaling up, let the train run, and exhale. You can blow through your mouth or through your nose. And inhale, and exhale. And let's do 2 more times, 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And last time. Inhale and exhale. 1, Wonderful. Okay, let's shake it a little bit. So one more time, exercise with the railroad gait, but now it's going to be a little different. So you're going to be inhaling up and inhale one more time here because the train is long, and exhale. And we're going to do inhale up and inhale again and exhale. So let's do one more time. Inhale up and a little more inhale. The train is long, and exhale. One more time. Inhale and grab a little more air and exhale. And last time, okay? Promise. Inhale and inhale a little more and exhale. Beautiful. Okay, wonderful. And very last exercise, we're going to blow through this little hole in your fist. So you're going to make a little hole in your fist. It doesn't matter which hand. And you're going to hold it by your mouth. So we'll be inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling 2, exhaling 4. So let's try. So we're going to go 1, 2, and blow in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do one more time. And blow. And go again. Do it again. We'll do a couple more times. Inhale. And let's do 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. And last time. And that's it. I hope that your cough is gone, or maybe you're doing so much better. Thank you very much for watching our video. We'll see you next time. Bye.